Hello friends, it's Danni here of Danni's Dreams, and today is day 17 of my birthday card a day September 2023. So let's see what I used today. I used my favorite Trinity stamps, the transparent sparkle enamel dots. They have just the right touch of sparkle in them. I used this cute stamp set from Not Too Shabby. It was from a box of the month, I think in 2021. It is no longer available. I don't know that I've ever used it before. Maybe the sentiments, I'm not sure. But anyways, I used this. It's called Birthday Bear. Super, super cute. And those sentiments are so fun too. And then I used the paper pad that came also in that box, Birthdays and Presents. It's very, very cute, but I find it really challenging to use with the larger images on it. But I'll show you what I did with that. I used my favorite things, A2 Stitch Rectangle Stack Set 1. These product names tonight have a lot of long names. And then I used the Gina Marie Designs Wonky Stitched Ovals. And here is my card for today. Isn't that bear so cute? Since the image was so large, I just kept it very simple to let it shine. And I picked one of the less busy patterns. Thought it kind of went with those balloons. I did not do glossy accents on the balloons because I wasn't able to get as good of a detail. I didn't feel like getting out my pencils like the shadows and stuff. So I thought they really needed that white pen detail. And I've noticed sometimes when I put the glossy accents over that, it kind of loses it. So I decided not to do the glossy accents today, but I did do that white pen detail. I like his little cheekies. And then there's those dots. And I just thought that looked really clever. And then, like I said, some of that paper is just really busy. I really like Not Too Shabby paper, but there are some patterns that are just too busy for my liking. So I'm starting to try to find new ways to use them because they are beautiful. And so I just took a piece of that paper that was maybe just a little bit too much and put it behind my sentiment panel, I guess you could call it. Just did a couple little flags or banners there. And then that sentiment, happy, happy, happy birthday. I think that's just so fun. And so there is my card for day 17. And it has been so fun to look through my stuff and find things that haven't been used or find new ways to do stuff. Having a lot of fun with that. Anyways, I hope that you are enjoying this. If so, I will ask you to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back tomorrow and see what else I'm going to be creating. Have a wonderful day. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.